welcome to the channel. Today I am going to paint a couple from the K-drama The King Eternal Monarch. I love the background in this reference image. This is the first time I am painting a blurry background. I am so curious to paint it. And I choose to paint this with gouache because it will dry slowly and give me plenty of time to blend the background and help me to get the desired result. This was one of my favorite K-drama and these couple are my favorite actors. The story was based on time travel. If you hadn't watched this drama yet, I highly recommend it. I take custom orders on flat illustration like this, so if you want to give something which is handmade and memorable to your loved ones, DM me on Instagram to order now. Link is in the description. The next couple is from the K-drama called Goblin. This is also one of my favorite K-drama and I highly recommend it too. The paper I am using here is from the brand called MENORAH. They have affordable and high quality sketchbooks and sketch pads. Use my code ARTLET to get 5% off on all of their products. Do let me know in the comments which is your favorite K-drama and the actors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon in the next one.